Today's video is on making deviled eggs. They're really simple to make. First you boil your eggs 10 minutes. And to make them easy to peel, I put them in cold water, a little ice in there, swished it around for several times, and then they peeled easy. So I went ahead and done that because, I don't want you to have to sit there that long. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my eggs. I'm only doing 3 eggs this time. Put my yellow yolk into my bowl. Now this recipe here is just 3 eggs, which makes 6 deviled eggs, which is good for a couple of people. Now I already made a few. Just cut them in half and just get that yolk out of there, because that's what we're going to use for our filling. Okay. That one was being a little stubborn there. Now I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to mash up all my yolk. Just mash it up like that. Then I've got a teaspoon of onion. Now a lot of people don't put onion in it. That's optional. I've been asked so many times to make them, and I've always had onions in them, so I assume everybody likes them. Then I put a little garlic in it, just a dash. A little pepper, a dash, that's to taste. Some people like more pepper than others. A little salt, same way, that's to taste. Now, a lot of people use pickles in theirs, and they chop them up real fine. Well, I don't. A lot of people don't like to bite into a pickle. I happen to be one of them. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of pickle juice. I got the flavor, I just don't have the bite into that pickle. Now, I'm going to put my mayonnaise in next. And I'm going to start out with about a tablespoonful. Start stirring that up because you want to get the right consistency. And it looks like I might have got it first try. And as you can see, it's kind of thick there. Now, I normally would use this and fill my things, but I'm going to use something a little smaller. That may be just a tad too small, but it works. Then you just fill your eggs up, spread it around a bit, make it look kind of uniform. Now sometimes you can put a little too much in it, which, well, if you do that, that's okay because it tastes better, but you won't have enough left to do all of them, which is going to be what happened to me because I put a little much in them. But that's the way I like them. So you will have a little bit left as far as your eggs. All right. Now, I washed my hand off. Now, as you can see, that was very easy to do. And all you have to do I've got these with paprika on them. Some people like the paprika, some don't. So I've got both. And I hope this helped you, and I hope you try it. I think you'll like it. They do taste really, really good. Guess I'll have to try one. Very good. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.